We build better customer experiences together. Introducing Talkdesk Partner Ecosystem, a diverse network of partners assembled to help customers across industries and around the world deliver customer experiences that build trust and loyalty. Talkdesk partners with the biggest and best names in cloud technology. We offer the industry's deepest integration with Salesforce and solutions with Salesforce's App Exchange. We are a proud partner of Amazon Web Services, leveraging AWS Contact Center intelligence to deliver better customer experiences. Talkdesk CX Cloud synchronizes with Microsoft Dynamics 365 and Microsoft Teams, with Talkdesk solutions available on Microsoft AppSource. Talkdesk Cloud Contact Centers easily extend with industry-leading third-party apps from our App Connect marketplace. We offer global reach and quality customer experience solutions in your market through our resellers program. We are partners with renowned cloud distributors to guide your CCaaS and UCaaS journey. We are building trust, loyalty, and expertise. We should talk.